Hello guys and welcome back to Book of Luke, and today's video is going to be called The Sinner Forgiven. I'm sorry it's been such a long time, but anyways, let's just get straight into the verse. And this is Luke chapter 7 verses 36 through 50, and read along with me. Then one of the Pharisees asked him to eat with him, and he went to the Pharisee's house and sat down to eat. And behold, a woman in the city who was a sinner, when she knew that Jesus sat at the table in the Pharisee's house, brought an alabaster flask of fragrant oil, and stood at his feet behind him weeping. And she began to wash his feet with her tears, and wiped them with the hair of her head. And she kissed his feet, and anointed them with the fragrant oil. Now when the Pharisee who had invited him saw this, he spoke to himself, saying, "This man, if he were a prophet, would know who and what manner of woman this is who was touching him, for she is a sinner." And Jesus answered and said to him, "Simon, I have something to say to you." So he said, "Teacher, say it." There was a certain creditor who had 2 debtors. One owed 500 denarii, the other 50. And when they had nothing which to repay, he freely forgave them both. Tell me, therefore, which of them will love him more? Simon answered and said, "I suppose the one who he forgave more." And he said to him, "You've rightly judged." And he turned to the woman and said to Simon, "Do you see this woman? I entered your house. You gave me no water for my feet, but she has washed my feet with the tears and wiped her with the hairs of her head. You gave me no kiss, but this woman has not ceased to kiss my feet since the time I came in. You did not anoint my head with oil, but this woman has anointed my feet with fragrant oil. Therefore I say to you, her sins, which are many, are forgiven, for she has loved much. But to whom little is forgiven, the same loves little." Then he said to her, "Your sins are forgiven." And those who sat at the table with him began to say to themselves, "Who is this who even forgives sins?" Then he said to the woman, "Your faith has saved you. Go in peace." Well, that was the verse, and the meaning, the moral of that story is the Pharisee felt like he wasn't really, the woman knew she was a sinner, but the Pharisee thought there was a big difference between them, when really there's no difference. And it's ironic that the woman worshipped Jesus more than the highest rank of religiousness in the Jewish, economy. Not economy, culture. But yeah, that's basically the moral. And once again, I'm so sorry that it's been such a long time, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to smash that notification bell, and please share it out to the other people. And, that's basically the video. God bless.